guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I'm doing something super different. I've done this like once or twice before, but I'm using the plain black filler paper and I'm creating my own bullet journal spread. So I use this lid of like a canister that I keep a bunch of magnets in, and I traced using my white gel pen. It was a little bit tricky because it's like running out of ink, but I made 4 circles for Monday through Thursday on the left page, and then I did 3 circles for Friday through Sunday on the other page. Then I used the journaling stickers to go ahead and date it, so I put the days of the week, which made it really easy, and I cut off the edges because they were really long. And then I also used some circles that had numbers in them as well, all from the journaling book. So that was kind of time consuming, but you know, that's what happens when you make your own spread. So once I had it all dated and took all that time, then I was able to use the coloring book. Now this is the newest, to my knowledge, the newest as of now sticker book that is all black and white, and it's called Coloring. So you're able to like legitimately just color the whole thing. So that's what I end up doing at the end. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's super fun. I tried to stick with like a certain color scheme just so that it would feel cohesive and not like really bright and colorful. I didn't want to use any like yellows or pinks or anything like that because that feels very like spring vibes. So I stuck with blues and turquoise and purple, things like that. My first idea was to pretty much only use the planners and the disc stickers, but then I saw these stick babes at the front and they went along with the same theme. So the reason for this theme is because on Saturday, I think it's the 13th, is International Sticker Day. So I wanted to do like a planner theme. So I found two different quotes. I put one on each page and I colored those in, and then of course lots of different planners and lots of different discs, and then some of the planner babes. So I put in like 3 of those girls and colored them all. I stuck within that same theme. I used some Crayola markers. I also used some Sharpies, and then I ended up using some of my mild liners as well because I wanted some more lighter colors. The Crayolas are super saturated and I love that, but also it was really dark and I wanted a little bit of lighter colors. So the Sharpies as well, even the really light blue that I chose ended up coming out really dark. So, you know, had to put a little bit of mild liner, different purples in there, and it really helped to lighten up the page and make it, I don't know, just feel a certain way. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm trying to get at, but anyway. Then I pulled out some of these black and white stickers for boxes so that I could, because really once I get to writing on this, I'm probably not going to use the white gel pen directly on the page, because as you can see on Saturday I had to put those stickers on top, because if you touch the gel pen a little too early it smears, and so I'm probably gonna have to write directly on black and white colorful boxes every time. So that's okay. You know, this is like a once in a blue moon kind of layout, so it's not like I have to go through all this trouble each time. But really truly I think it's fun doing these, but they are time consuming. I mean, let's be honest. All right, I'm gonna stop chatting and let y'all enjoy the satisfying sped up version of coloring in all these stickers. It's super fun to watch. So All right, let me know what y'all think down in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.